Hi everyone, it's Vicky here from Crafty Heaven and thank you very much for joining me today. Today is a very long awaited tutorial and I do apologise. So last year this came out, which is the Creative Craft Products pom-pom and tassel making kit with case. I did a tutorial on how to make the tassels, but I said I was going to do a tutorial on how to do the pom-poms with the pom-pom makers, and to be honest I actually completely forgot. Just, you know, a lot had gone on and I just forgot. So thank you to the couple of people who had commented on that tassel maker video to remind me. But yeah, here we are, and we're finally going to be making the pom-poms. I'm not entirely sure if this is still available. If it is, I'll link it down below. So to make the pom-poms, I'm just going to do one with you. Now, some pom-pom makers will come where they are apart like that, so you'll have two separate pieces. So just place that together, okay, and then they would fold over like so. So you would have something like that when it's put together. So you want to open them back up, okay, and you want to make sure that these two are level with each other and these two are level with each other. So this is a large one and this is the small one. I'm just going to do the large one with you, and this is what it looks like. So I've got some wool here and we are going to just start on one side. Again, make sure those two are level and just place your wool on there like so, and then you're just going to simply wrap this around, making sure that you keep those two plastic yellow pieces together and the level, and until you've wrapped enough round to keep this in place, just hold that. You want to avoid these end bits here, okay, so just go all the way around until you have filled it to how much you want on there. And again, when you come to the end here, just avoid those two areas. So go ahead and fill all that area up until it's nice and full. Okay, so that's that one, and then we're going to just hold that and we're going to bring this to this center part here, and we're going to fold this down, and then we can line these two yellow plastic ones together, and then the wool that we bought from the other side, we're just going to start wrapping around this, and we're just going to do the same as we did with the other one. Wrap it around until it's nice and full, and again avoid these two end bits here. So that's that one, and then I'm just going to fold this one over and I'm going to hold all that in place, and I'm going to trim off the excess for that. Then you're going to get your scissors, and again making sure you hold all this together. You're going to get your scissors, preferably need to be sharp, and you're going to tuck it underneath that wool in the middle, and we're going to cut all the way through the middle. Okay, so it will look like this, and you're going to do that all the way around. Okay, and you don't want to have any threads on here. And then again on this side, making sure that you keep all that together. Do not undo it, because otherwise it will all come out. And just go all the way across. And how satisfying is that when it cuts and they all just ping back. There we go. And then making sure that's still together, don't undo it yet. Get another piece of the wool, and you're going to get your wool and place it through that center and bring it all the way around like so. So you've got these two at the top, and then we're going to tie that center of the pom-pom into a knot, and I'm going to do about 2 or 3 times. So I'm going to tie that and take it down into the center and tighten that up, and I'm going to do that a couple of times and I'm going to pull it quite tight because I don't want it to come undone. Okay, and then you can trim off the excess, and you can leave them so you could tie them if you want to, you know, tie them onto a project. And then what we're going to do is we're going to undo it. So we're going to bring those two over, these two over, and then we're going to pull this apart, trim off your pom-pom so it's all level, and just scuff it about a bit, and then there we go, you have your pom-pom. And there is the other one. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. Again, I'm sorry it is very, very late, but life just got in the way, and I just forgot. So there's a tutorial for the pom-poms, and if this is still available, I will link it down below. If you enjoyed this video, then please give me a big thumbs up. Please continue to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button. Till next time guys, take care. Bye.